Hey class, so we're going to walk through the steps that we're going to do for this project, at least the way that I think would be the most organic or natural to do. So 6.2, the musical language, creativity composition. We're going to scroll down. Hopefully you read that little introduction. We're going to look at these first two steps on day 7. So open up your ternary groove in Soundtrap 4.3. This should be a minimum of 45 seconds. So open up your Soundtrap. I've already done that. And I need to make sure that everything I want to be played is on. So these four. And you notice there's an A section, a B, and an A. If you have it in a different order, that's okay, but that's the concept and the idea. All right, and I need to make sure I can just scroll and double check to make sure right where this is the end. It's 57 seconds, so I'm in that limit. Okay. Also pay attention to what this tempo is down here, because that's going to control a lot. We don't need to listen to this yet, but we are going to now check out the next step. So practice your rhythm matrix solo, which was 5.3, with your A section of your groove. You can use body percussion, cups, or another utensil to create the sound. So here is my 5.3, my rhythm matrix solo. And again, it's just 16 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6. Okay? So before you do anything with recording, you need to practice it. Okay? So I have the metronome app pulled up right here, which is from the previous 5.2 assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click start and have it at 80 beats per minute. And that can run. And I'm just going to practice my rhythm, okay? You can use the syllables, or you can clap, or whatever utensil you're going to do. Also, think about just doing 4 beats to start. So let's go to number 4, like this. And ta, tiki, tiki, ti, ti. Okay? If that's too fast for you, slow it down. Okay? 60 is a nice calm tempo, again, for 4 beats. Ta, tiki, tiki, ti, ti. Okay? And then add maybe 2 more beats until you get the entire line, which sounds like this. Ta, tiki, tiki, ti, ti. Ta, tiki, tiki, ti, ti. Okay? And then you do the same thing for the bottom line until you've mastered it. And maybe it's only at 60 beats per minute. That's okay. Once you've mastered this whole thing and it sounds good, then we're going to watch the next video and figure out how to do that.